Okay, hello, and this is another part of my Minecraft clone what I've done. So, I'm going to show you now some of the features I've added. I've added falling sand and water. You'll see now in a while. Let me just go into the game. There we go. I'll just quickly, oh yes, and it spawns you now into creative mode, no longer in survival, so you won't fall through the world. Let me just place some grass down below me so that I can show the sand on it. Oh yes, and see these other bricks blocks? A friend of mine made it, so it's no longer just me on the project, so that's good at least. Now I'll just show you the sand. As you can see it falls, so I've coded it in this way so that it goes on the left or right side to the block next to it. So I coded water the same way. As you can see, those water blocks what's on there, it should not be like that, which stands still. But as I always say, it's not a bug, it's a feature. Water tension, am I right? Beautiful. Let me quickly build you something to show you off what else I have added in it. As you can see, this here's little house. I am inside the block, so I've added this feature where you can put the blocks in the background. So when you press F on the keyboard, you'll be able to place blocks in the background and go through it. Let me just show you. So as you can see, I made it a little bit darker. And the player can fully move through it, so you'll be able to change the background. Now, which is also a cool feature. And I'll see you in the next devlog. Goodbye.